Is there any
Mm.
last like ceremonial locking in of that or creation of that or invitation? I don't want to say locking in because we want to leave the space for people to be where they are and feel triggered by what they're triggered by and have questions and be in the unknown. But anything that we'd like to do to support people who might be here in moving any energy or anchoring in anything that feels relevant for them. Does anybody feel called to take that on?
Well, I'll just say I can feel a lot of energy like wanting to move through. I don't know exactly what wants to move through, but I can feel like when as you were like setting that stage, I could feel like so I guess I'll just intend for us to pull it through collectively and we'll just see um what comes through. But I'll just start with just inviting everyone to just take a few breaths here. Just start landing once again. A lot has been said. A lot has come up, most likely. And so just allowing yourself to just land here, be present. Letting yourself just release anything that is not yours, anything that doesn't need to be held by you right now. Just letting that fall away. You're going to really be present to what's alive for you here in this moment. Hmm. As you present yourself to what is here right now, I'll invite you to just send some roots, some tendrils, some anchors just down into the earth, feeling that you are completely supported from this earthly realm, from this planet. Feel that she is offering you any strength that you might need here, any grounding, any vitality. Also feeling that you can just release anything that's ready to be released, anything from your lineage, from your DNA, from your ancestry, like from your bloodline that's ready to be released. Just feeling it filter into Mama Earth, knowing she turns shit into gold. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Letting yourself just breathe and release here. And as you feel ready, you can let your awareness just move up, up, up your body towards your crown. You can feel as though your crown chakra, like a beautiful flower, is starting to open, unfurrow. And as that bud that is your crown chakra opens, I invite you to just breathe in that loving light from source, imagining that light from the sun even can just permeate your being, igniting and burning away anything that doesn't serve you, and enlivening and energizing all that which is for you now. Letting that light filter into your being, permeating every cell, every molecule. Mm. And I can feel the final thing that is wanting to come through is just full permission here to just unplug from any of these recurring patterns, from any of these harmful programming, from any of this inherited stories or beliefs. Just letting yourself be unplugged from all those which no longer hold promise, and from all those that don't serve you. Letting this just be effortless, feeling those plugs just whoof, whoop, effortlessly detach. Letting those just fall away, if that feels right. And then I guess allowing yourself to plug in to the new, to the future, to the uplifting. I mean, you don't have to know exactly what you're plugging into. You can just make this intention that you will be plugged in to that which is for your highest good and for the highest good of all. And so it is.
I keep hearing a melody coming through. So I might just turn off my sound, my muting, and just let that flow through and anchor in everything that is here for us to take and imbue and absorb and integrate into our systems. And I love how you invited us to just have it be so simple as unplugging and plugging in to what does serve now, letting fall away anything that doesn't, without having to make so much meaning about it. If it's really ready to be that simplified, letting it be that simplified, inviting us to hang on to anything that requires deeper exploration for our highest learning and growth as well. But allowing that sometimes it really can just be that simple. I think that was one of my Celtic ancestors sending that one through for us. Taking a deep breath in, and shaking your body out, letting your molecules receive and release how they do. Receive and release, receive and release. And Babs, if there's anything that's there for you to share, we always love your wisdom.
Yeah, I feel I don't know if it's a prayer or a blessing coming through. I envision a world in which all people, all individuals, all groups, all peoples are respected and honored in their uniqueness, in their individuality, in their differences, and in their samenesses. There's a connection point where all hearts are free and open and feel safe with one another, feel safe to be seen, feel safe to speak, feel safe to make mistakes. where we all get to be in spaces together, trusting that we are loved, we matter, who we are is honored and loved and perfect. May it be so for me. May it be so for you. May it be so for all of us.
Mm.
So it is.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow.
Mm.
Thank you for that.
Mm-hmm. That was beautiful.
That was great.
Mm-hmm. Mm.
And to anyone who may hear this at any point in time, reach out with questions,
Yeah.
comments, be part of the conversation.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Part of the healing.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.